Let me try to help you fix the issue with bypass charger not working on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So the first thing that you need to know about the charging option, the bypass charging, is that in order to be able to use the bypass charging, the power supply should be first and foremost compatible with Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So you want to make sure that your bypass charger is supported by this device, that it is compatible, that your charger can charge your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. The next important thing is that your charger should provide more, or actually 25 watts or more. If your power adapter provides, not the power adapter, the bypass charger, if it provides less power than that, so for example, if you try to use the USB on your computer, then most likely you will not be able to provide more than 25 watts. And in addition to that, the battery of your phone should have at least 20%. So if the battery is lower than 20%, you won't be able to use this bypass option. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!